I'm catching him, I'm catching him. Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Review. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we're gonna do a comparison test between the 2018 Dodge Ram, the Ram 1500 and the 2015 Chevy Silverado Z71. So I'm here with my buddy Tim, he's over there, and this is his truck, and this is the one I just rented for the day. So hopefully it's gonna be a good video, and we're gonna do a bunch of challenges from fuel economy, you know, a bunch of drag racing, some highway pulls and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. And so let's just walk around the two trucks. So this is the Ram 1500. I just picked it up today. The car apparently was in South Carolina before it came here. So I rented it for a day just for this challenge. Now let's look at this 2015 Chevy Silverado. It's a Z71. It's pretty aggressive, it looks muscular. I think it looks much better than the Ram 1500 from the outside. And it's lifted actually, it's like, I think 3 inches in the front and 2 inches in the back. Okay, Tim, so are you excited for the challenge?
Yeah, it'll be a fun challenge.
So which one do you think will win? Let's say by the fuel economy, which one will you win?
Fuel economy, you might have a little bit advantage of that because I don't use stock tires.
Okay.
My tires are not great for fuel economy. But
okay. What about the power, like when we do the highway pulls and stuff?
Again, the Ram's rated for more power,
okay.
So we'll see. I mean, the 5.3 is a smaller engine. It's got a little bit less power, a little bit less torque than the Ram.
Okay.
But it should be a good head-to-head, 2 big V8s going against each other.
Perfect. So without further ado, let's start the challenge. So now we're going to the second spot, and we'll try to do a drag race between the 2018 Ram 1500 and the 2015 Chevy Silverado Z21. I have a 5.7 Hemi. He has a 5.3 LS engine basically. So we'll see which one will smoke the other. Ready? I'm catching him, I'm catching him, I'm catching him. Woo! That was very that was very close. That was very close. So let's keep going forward. So now we're gonna do some highway pulls. So we're getting on the 190, and then we're gonna see. So far, the first race, he kind of pulled on me, but I did caught up with him after a few. So now we're gonna do a highway pull. This will be exciting. Gotta make sure that there's no So here I'm taking a little of him. I took him. Damn. Okay, we're about to do another pull. Right. So we're gonna do a 50 roll. Oh, I dusted him. Okay, we're about to do another pull. We're gonna do a 50 roll. Dusted him. Yep, that's heavy V8 for you guys. That's heavy V8 smoking the Silverado. That's heavy power for you guys. That was a demonstration of the Hemi V8 taking on the the 5.7. I mean the 5.3. That was exciting.